Hey, welcome back, everybody. It wasn't too long ago we had on the Center for Elder Law and Justice so you could understand what it is they do and how they can help you. Well, it's very interesting because healthcare communities are recognizing the role of social determinants of health in overall health populations. So what has happened is that they now have a MedLaw partnership of Western New York. What is this? Well, we're going to talk to two people who know it very well. Rachel Baldessaro is with us and Jesslyn Holbrook, two of the attorneys who work with Center for Elder Law and Justice. Good morning. Nice to have you here.
Good morning.
Tell us about the MedLaw partnership of Western New York.
Well, this is an innovative program that our office has with two major hospitals in Western New York, Erie County Medical Center and Buffalo General Medical Center, which is with the Kaleida Health System. And what we do is we provide free civil legal services to patients who receive their health care at those organizations.
And you actually have offices right in the hospitals.
We do. We have an office at ECMC and then a second office at Buffalo General.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. And Jesslyn, what we're finding is that there's an awful lot of people whose medical situation is kind of going downhill because they have legal issues that they didn't realize they could get help with.
That's right. And we see folks who are in the hospital, they're facing crisis at that moment. Either they're facing a chronic illness or they've suffered a medical event, and it sort of exposes maybe an underlying legal issue that they didn't realize they had. Some of the things that we see most often are powers of attorney and healthcare proxies, helping people to pre-plan as they're moving forward, wills and that kind of thing. Housing issues, so maybe somebody's undergoing a mortgage foreclosure or eviction, or they're having a utility shut off. Healthcare advocacy, determining whether they're eligible for certain health insurances, health insurance denials and that kind of thing.
And you can see how worrying about these things is going to compromise your health.
Absolutely.
And add to the problem of why that person is in the hospital. What do you need to be eligible for this, Rachel?
To be eligible for the program, you have to be a patient at ECMC, at Buffalo General or the Gates Vascular Institute. And we also, through this program, offer legal services to breast cancer patients or survivors, regardless of where they've received their medical treatment.
That's great. And Jesslyn, you were saying that there's a lot of reasons why people would want your help when they get a diagnosis of cancer.
That's right. Oftentimes what we see when somebody is newly diagnosed with cancer is maybe they're concerned about their income maintenance.
Okay, we're going to have to leave it there because we're out of time. But if you're interested, Center for Elder Law and Justice, give them a call, 1-844-700.